Hey, I'm Will, and I help homebuyers secure loans for their homes in Oklahoma. You might ask, why the heck should I listen to you? Well, I've been blessed to have been doing this for 7 years and have been recognized as one of the top 1% lenders in the entire country. I've helped over 800 families achieve homeownership, and I only say that because it's important for you to know that you're getting advice from someone with real experience in the industry. If you're planning to buy a home this year in 2025, you need to know the exact steps to take so you don't waste time or money. Today, I'm breaking down the home buying process step by step, including real life examples and key mistakes to avoid. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do from the moment you start thinking about buying a home all the way to getting the keys into your hand. You'll also learn how to avoid costly mistakes that can delay or even ruin your home purchase. Let's get into it. Talk to a lender first. Most people think that the first step is finding a real estate agent. Wrong. The first step is talking to a lender, and here's why. You don't want to fall in love with a home only to find out that you can't afford it. You don't want to work with a real estate agent who pressures you into something you're not ready for. A lender can help you build a game plan even if you're a year or two away from buying. Let me share a real scenario with you. I once had a client call me saying, I want to buy a home in 2 years. So what we did is we mapped out a plan to help them raise their credit score, and guess what? They were able to buy a home in 1 year instead of 2. And remember, you don't have to apply for a mortgage to start asking questions. That's what lenders are here for. At least I am. Step 2 is get pre-approved. Once you're ready, apply for a pre-approval. A good lender will take time to structure your loan, explain closing costs, and make sure your finances are solid before you start shopping. A bad lender will give you a generic pre-approval letter and send you house hunting with zero real knowledge of what you're committing to. This is where homebuyers make their first big mistake, is not understanding what's in their pre-approval. Number 3 is finding the right real estate agent. Now that you're pre-approved, it's time to find a great real estate agent. Not all agents are created equal, and here's where it gets tricky. Some lenders have referral agreements where they get paid to send you to a certain agent. This means you might not be getting the best agent, just one that is willing to give up part of their commission. Do your own research, check reviews, interview multiple agents, and make sure that they work in your market. Here's a red flag alert for you. If a mortgage company is offering you a rebate to use their preferred agent, it usually means someone is making money off of you behind the scenes. Number 4 is now you can start house hunting. Now that you have a lender and a solid agent, this is when you start looking at homes. Many buyers jump straight into house hunting without knowing what they can even afford, what closing costs will be like, and how competitive the market is. This leads to a lot of heartbreak and wasted time. Be smart, follow the process in the right order. Number 5 is now you're ready to make an offer. Your real estate agent handles the negotiation. Your lender helps you ensure you're offering with your financial comfort zone. And if you need closing cost assistance, your agent will negotiate that up front. All right, now we're at step 6. This is where you enter into contract and start the loan process. Once your offer is accepted, that's when the real work begins. Let's go through some of the things that will come up once you're under contract. 1, we have inspections. You'll check for the property for any hidden issues. 2, we have an appraisal. The lender ensures that the home is worth what you're paying. After that, we have loan processing. Your file moves to underwriting for final approval. This is where having a great lender makes all the difference. If your lender isn't proactive, delays can happen and deals can fall through. At number 7, we have closing time. Once your loan is approved, it's time to sign the final documents and get your keys. Common closing mistakes to avoid are opening any new credit accounts. Lenders check your finances up until closing day. The next one is skipping home insurance shopping. You gotta get quotes early to avoid last minute surprises. And please make sure that you're budgeting for closing costs. These can range from 2 to 5% of your home price. And that's it. You're a homeowner after that. Let's take a quick minute to recap the complete home buying process. Talk to a lender first, get a game plan and ask questions, get fully pre-approved, avoid weak pre-approvals that are a waste of time, find a solid real estate agent, do your own research, and avoid referral traps. Start shopping only once you've been fully pre-approved. Make an offer and ensure negotiations include closing cost assistance if needed. Enter into contract and finalize loan inspections, appraisal, and underwriting. Close on your home, sign paperwork, and get the keys. And don't forget to celebrate. If you're thinking about buying a home in 2025, don't wait until the last minute to get a plan in place. I'm here to help. Click the link below, schedule a free call with my team, and let's map out your path to homeownership. Hey, if this video was helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment with any questions you have. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.